And this is the first manifestation of it. And a viewer brought it up last night, and I wanted to look into it and see what they were talking about. And sure enough, they were correct. And that California has begun to threaten to shut off utilities to people that are in non-compliance with COVID-19. Now, this is the reason that I have pleaded with you to begin now to take steps to create resources for yourself that are independent of the control paradigm, so that you can have them available to you when things get really bad, because this isn't going to stop. It's going to continue, and it's going to continue to accelerate. And I understand that, you know, at some point here we'll be going on a year of me trying to warn people and help them to understand what's going on, and the entire time has been marked with you know, like mockery, and that's fine, and I wouldn't expect anything else. There's, you know, I would only expect that, but just for your mercy, you know, I wish that you would reconsider, and I wish you would understand that, like, I don't have anything that I want from you, that some kind of angle that's hidden here. I just want to help you to see the world as it is. And the reality is that you have resources besides utilities that are more important, such as food, that have been entirely centralized, and you are incredibly vulnerable, and you're going to figure that out whether you want to or not. And when that happens, it's going to be pretty high stakes, and there's going to be some severe consequences. And so one of the things that I've tried to encourage is for people to build food forests for themselves is good, but for others, for people, for all people, that's the most important part. And it's very tricky to do so these days because of the situation with property being legally captivated by the current paradigm, meaning that all land has to be under title. There's not really such thing as public land. If it is public, held in the public by the state, then it's utilized for other purposes that aren't really public. And so it's difficult to make something that's a resource that's available to all people without it being swallowed up.